Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com, and today I'm going to start this new series Property Showcase where we present you projects done by our interior team and builders. So this is interior project located in Kanakpura Road done by Halcyon Interiors. 3 BHK interiors, project value of 4,75,000. Minimalistic interior as per the client requirement. This is Brigade Meadows integrated township on 60 acres of land adjacent to Art of Living Ashram. Everything is there within the campus. So this project, this 3 BHK interiors project was done in Plumeria Lifestyle block, which is a premium apartment block. Three bedroom and 3 rooms having wardrobe, modular kitchen, TV unit. With Halcyon Interiors, you get 10 years warranty on the woodwork, 30 days work guarantee or 1 month rent paid, premium quality fixtures and fittings. So this is the view from the balcony. You can see the Art of Living Ashram and the amenities within the campus. In the living room, this is the TV unit done. Color coordinated inside outside laminates. Epco and Berlin brand of hinges. Europa locks have been used. This is a modular kitchen. Kitchen is the main highlight of this apartment. All soft closing and auto closing baskets, drawers and hinges. Stainless steel baskets. Interiors are provided with 10-year warranty, complete after-sales support. These are automatic sensor-based lights. Three rooms, all the 3 rooms were provided with the wardrobes in this package, along with the TV unit. Epco and Berlin hinges, Europa locks. These are the soft closing hinges. If you are planning to make interiors, modular kitchen, upgrading the existing interiors, you can get in touch with the Halcyon team on the number given, WhatsApp, or you can call. Free interiors consultation will be provided. Halcyon executive will visit your place and give you the estimate as per the measurements. There is a catalog of designs, laminates, colors to choose from. Hundreds of designs and models are available. Along with interiors, they do complete false ceiling, lighting, interior designing, everything, wallpaper work. So complete end-to-end interior solution under one roof. So this is the 3rd room. As per the client need, this is a very minimalistic interior work. They have done even more lavish interior work. So this costed 4,75,000 for the complete package. In the description, other details are given regarding the services offered. Please go through the description and do subscribe our channel for latest properties. Thank you for watching this video.